Okay, let me quickly walk you through the different windows we have in Photoshop and how to work with and around them. So here we have a list of windows that you can add or remove. To add a window, you hit the window and you click on the window you want to add and it will become visible. The ones which already have a click on them are already visible, and if you click on them again it will become hidden. So here we have something called Workspace. There are different workspaces to choose from, and you can also add yours. And for this arrange, you can use it to show multiple documents, open documents alongside each other. Even a single document can be duplicated. And here we go. Your workspaces can also be accessed from there. And once you have set up everything you want to save, you hit new workspace, give it a name. And yeah, that is a color window. You can pick a color from here, drag outside and click on the color. So use the eyedropper to pick a color from an image. It's okay, or add to swatches to save a color. You have the adjustment and the styles window opened. Have different adjustments. Once you click on them, they'll create a new layer for you. There's the styles option there. Then the swatches window. You can pick a color simply clicking on that color. Then you have the character and the paragraph window. You can drag windows around as well. Drag the layer window down there. I think this is around this position. It's where you find it by default. Move mine up there because I prefer having it there to show more windows, show more layers rather. You can go to reset essentials to take it back to the default arrangement. For this blank space, let's try to fill it up by adding a new window. Into window, choose a navigator. Then I'll drag that down. Then just snap to that position and fill it up. And now for your tools, depending on the tool you have selected, the options up there will be different. You can see it just changed. Changed again. Keep changing as you change from one tool to another. So for these tools that have arrows pointing down, you can click and hold to bring out more tools to pick from. Yeah, that will be all for this tutorial. I'll see you in the next class.